Welcome back to everyone. In this video I will guide you how to fix sleep mode not working on Motorola Moto G37. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so first of all, restart phone. Just click and hold side power button and volume up button. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon. Phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, click on apps and click on CR apps. Scroll down and click on clock app. After click on clock app, click on storage and cache and clear cache clock app. After clear cache clock app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in settings app, click on system and click on reset option and click on reset all settings. Enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, click on settings app. Now in settings, click on system and update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.